Hey guys, so ako nga ang blueran and then akong butangan base 1 para sinaw ang imong engine. Again, you always mga ka-border bears, before you travel, always check your unit for safety and your boss. And then you always before you travel also, you always to pray to God for guidance na natong pagka-travel mostly kami everyday may have a travel but salig lang ako sa Ginoo is God was there to protect me to give a guardian angel para safe travel always. So I will always thank God, always safe travel. So again, please subscribe me and click the button for the notification for para palagi kayong update sa mga video ko guys, mga ka-border bears. Bye bye. God bless you all.